Hello everyone, my name is Mansu Kim. I am a CATIA automation consultant working at Impararia Solutions. So today's content is about the profile management. So imagine that you have a template. This template will be instantiated in the project level. So let's say after you instantiate, if you want to change the parameter, that parameters, the profiles was not expected while you creating the template, but later on you will have a new profiles and you wanna changing it. So there's a several expectations how to achieve. And well, let's see the from simple one to step by step to become a expert. So the case I prepare is about the manual work to see the challenges. So here's we have a template here, and well, let's say you wanna change these profiles. So let's look at the profiles where it is. So one thing we needed to know the place here for creating the mullion in this case. So we have a plan for the profile sketch, and we have a point of the frame located where it is. This profile. So this will help us become a support of the sketch of the profile, and you will have the access system, the location of this profile. So we will have the profile here, but since the profile is you can creating the profile here directly, but I recommend you creating the profile in the original access system of your part file. So then next time when you need to switch the sketch itself, so you can import from AutoCAD or from the profile library. So you no need to consider about the input of the plan and point to instantiate here. So instead of that, we have the profile here from origin, and use the axis to axis functions. You move the geometry from here to here. So when use this profile for the volumes. So in this way, so later on you will easy to change your profile. So the first step, if you wanna change the profile, let's say I will try to get another profile from another place. So here's some profile library I prepared. Let's say I gonna bring M2 profile, copy, and here I paste here, paste. So you see here, you can copy and paste from another library because they don't have the inputs. The input is only for the XY plane, and the XY plane is always existing in any 3D shape. So without error, you can just bring it here. And now you can just replace from here and replace M3 to M2. Right? So what happened here? So it seems already changed, a little small one. So I will go back by Control Z. So you will see the what changed here. So this was our original one, and when you change the sketch, so again I will try to change here from here to here. So this will be updated, the profile. Then let's start according to the profile. You will check the where you should stop or some things. But the thing is how you manage this kind of behavior. So you don't wanna create the sketch and copy paste each time when you need, because you already instantiated, and it become a manual work if you need to fix it. So let's look at the another case. So how we can improve this methodology. So here, let's look at the case 2. So I open the case 2. So case of 2, let's look same place. Column, right body, and the profile. So in this time, we have profile library, and here. So I prepared the string here, and this drawing will looking under the profile geometrical set, and the founding out the same name with the profile. So by the rule, so then the profile will selected by these strings, not directly. So the sketch bring into Arch system. So here, this was the made, and then if you want to add more profile here, let's copy again from the library. So here, Control C, and come back, case 2, and the Control V. And now instead of replace, we just select and put it here as a name. So this string will look at this sketch, and this sketch will be a profile, final profile, and this final profile will move to here. Then this will work for volume. So this is the way you can change it. But there's 2 steps. You need to place, and you need to modify the string. So let's look at another case. So we have the case 3 I prepare. So in case of case 3, actually we're going to copying it by script, copying it from the profile library directly. So profile library is the it's a 3D part. Since it's just geometry, you cannot bring each geometry in the chapter or catalog. So actually this is just one file of the 3D part, but in under the 3D part, you creating some geometrical set to configure of the profiles. Okay, then from the case 3, you can access this profile library by the resource table. So registering that 3D part here and the resource table as a VPM reference. So then you can use the logical name here, profile library. You can use this name in your script. So from here you can access this reference, and you will find your profile what you needed to change. So I will open independently and then look inside. So here we have here, and look at the profile. So this is a little bit structure different from the another. So we have strings, and I have several automate stuff to recreate the output. Then this output will be always update. So even without the copy the profile, if the profile is existing in your library, for example, like here, M2 or cap. So let's try. So here we already have M2, so let's try to M3. So when you just changing the string, M2, so this will be update, or let's try to change cap profile. So this will be a cap. Since cap is already existing, so it's just overlapping though. Actually cap is this one, so I hide here. So you see that the green one, so it was here. So I will change it again, M3. Okay, so that's how it works. And not only just changing the profile. So some script will remain the previous profile is stored here. So anytime, actually, you can come back, and if you need, you can replacing the previous profile if you wish. And you have some another script if you have to change that already too many, you think it's not necessary. So run this one, so we're making it empty again. So the thing is, this profile will connect it here, and this will be always updating with the volume. So that's for today. Thank you for watching the video, and if you have any questions, please without hesitation contact us. We are the consulting company for your product making it better and faster. Thank you for watching.